20% off all things Ninja. Yes, you heard that right. From now until the 12th of August, Ninja have got 20% off everything when you use code NINJA20 at the checkout. It covers all the favourites from air fryers to multi-cookers to the Ninja Frostvault Go, temperature controlled kettles, wood fire pizza ovens, you name it. As you can see, I live in a Ninja household and I use their products every day. So click the orange basket below to see my favourites and don't forget to use code NINJA20 at the checkout for 20% off. But it doesn't include the new Ninja Creamy Swirl or any of the bundle deals. Happy shopping!